In this video, I will show you how to set up an ESPN Plus profile pin. So the thing that you need to understand about ESPN Plus is that it does not support multiple user profiles, which means there is no need for a profile lock or a profile pin. That's why in ESPN app itself you will not be able to set up a profile pin. But if you had subscribed to Disney Plus, what you can do is set up a profile pin in there. First, what you need to do is open up Disney Plus in an app or in a website, then sign into your account. Then go to your profile settings. There you will find Edit Profile. Simply click on it. From there, scroll down below until you find Parental Control section. Once you find it, click on it. Then there you will find Profile Pin option. Click on the Profile Pin option. Then verify your account password, set up a profile pin. Then you will be able to use the profile pin in ESPN Plus along with Disney Plus. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.